Hi, welcome to Counseling 116. My name is Kristen Perrone and I am your instructor. I'm also a counselor at College of Marin. Please excuse my background. I just moved. You might even hear some construction going on, so a little chaotic over here. I'm sure you are all dealing with your own level of chaos, especially over this past year and a half with things kind of up in the air. I want to congratulate you first on enrolling in this class. You are working on your next step, which is hopefully to apply and attend a UC. Most of you are going to be applying for the fall semester, so fall of 22. Start at the UC. Some of you might be applying for spring. The spring applications are due August 30th and the fall applications are due November 30th. Some of these details we will cover throughout the class. This class itself is 6 weeks long. It's a 1-unit course. We are going to be working on weekly modules with each module or each week beginning on a Monday, and all assignments are due the following Sunday. It's really imperative that you are logging into Canvas multiple times a week because of the coursework and the way that the assignments build upon each other. So it's really important to complete all of the assignments so that you're ready to go for each weekly Zoom class. We have a live Zoom class every Thursday from 6:10 to 7:30 p.m. That's where we will primarily be doing a lot of activities as a group and in small groups. So it's not going to be lecture style. It's really going to be interactive because the goal of the class is to have all 4 of your PIQ essays. They're not really essays, but your 4 PIQs will be written and finalized by the end of this 6 weeks. So it's really important that you stay on track with the assignment so that you have your 4 PIQs finalized by the end of this 6 weeks. So that's our goal. I'm really excited to get to know you all throughout the course. I am available for one-on-one appointments. I'm not really holding traditional office hours because I am available for so many hours during the week. You're able to make an appointment with me, and then we'll be meeting every Thursday from 6:10 to 7:30. All right, let's get started. So you'll have to complete each module's coursework in order to open and continue on the following module. So please stay on track. If you have any questions or concerns along the way, please don't hesitate to reach out. The best method of communicating with me is through the Canvas inbox. All right, I will see you all on the other side.